What if I told you that a simple mistake at the seafood counter could slowly damage your brain, weaken your heart, and even shorten your life expectancy? It may sound like an exaggeration, but there's an unsettling reality hidden in the seafood choices we make. In fact, research from the Journal of the American Medical Association has shown that older adults who consume certain types of high-mercury fish regularly are up to 60% more likely to develop neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. But the situation is even more alarming than you might think. Blood tests conducted on seniors over the age of 65 revealed dangerously high levels of mercury, which were directly linked to specific fish species. This isn't just a matter of taste preference anymore. It's a matter of health and survival. While fish are often hailed as a superfood, not all fish offer the same benefits. Some are packed with essential omega-3 fatty acids that support your brain and joint health. However, others are loaded with harmful contaminants, including mercury, which silently destroys your nervous system, weakens your balance, and places immense stress on your kidneys. The worst part? Many seniors unknowingly consume these dangerous fish multiple times a week, thinking they are making a healthy choice. This isn't just about convenience. It's about making informed decisions that could impact your long-term health. So, before you make your next seafood purchase, you need to be aware of the fish you should avoid at all costs and the ones that can actually help preserve your health as you age. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the best and worst fish choices for seniors. We'll uncover the top 4 fish you should add to your shopping cart and the 4 fish you should absolutely stay away from. And just to make things even more critical, we'll reveal the number 1 worst fish, which may be sitting in your freezer right now, silently sabotaging your health. Let's start by talking about the fish you should definitely be eating more often. The best fish choices for seniors. Number 4. Rainbow trout. Rainbow trout may not always get the spotlight when it comes to healthy fish, but this freshwater gem deserves a place at the top of your list. Unlike many other fish, rainbow trout is farmed in environmentally controlled areas, which significantly reduces the exposure to toxins and pollutants. This makes it one of the safest fish options for seniors, who are especially vulnerable to the harmful effects of mercury buildup in the body. But safety is just the beginning. Rainbow trout is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, which has been proven to support brain function and memory. Seniors who regularly consume DHA-rich fish experience slower cognitive decline and a significantly lower risk of developing dementia. Studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids can help protect your brain as you age, improving your memory, and even reversing early signs of aging. In addition to DHA, rainbow trout is also a fantastic source of vitamin B12, which is essential for the production of red blood cells. As we age, B12 deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and other health issues. By eating trout, you're not only protecting your brain, but you're also helping prevent the fatigue and muscle loss that often accompany aging. Another nutrient-packed benefit of rainbow trout is its high selenium content, which supports your immune system. On top of that, the fish is rich in protein, which helps maintain muscle mass, a critical factor in preventing sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that leaves seniors prone to weakness and falls. What's more, rainbow trout is tender, flaky, and easy to digest, making it perfect for seniors who may struggle with chewing or digestion. Preparing it is simple too. Just bake it with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of herbs for a delicious and healthy meal. Its mild flavor appeals to people who might not enjoy the strong taste of other fish varieties, making it a great addition to any diet. Number 3. Herring. It might sound like a fish from the old days, but herring is an unsung hero of senior nutrition. This small, oily fish is rich in EPA and DHA, 2 crucial omega-3 fatty acids that play a vital role in supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and keeping your arteries flexible. As we age, stiff arteries become a major health concern, increasing the risk of high blood pressure, strokes, and heart attacks. By eating herring regularly, you can reduce your risk of fatal heart events by as much as 30%. But the heart benefits don't end there. Herring is also an excellent source of vitamin D, a nutrient essential for maintaining strong bones. Vitamin D deficiency in seniors is linked to a higher risk of fractures, falls, and even depression. Herring, with its rich vitamin D content, can help prevent these issues and improve overall bone health. Another unique benefit of herring is its soft, small bones, which, when pickled or canned, can be consumed, offering a natural source of calcium for stronger bones. You don't need a supplement when you can enjoy herring as a tasty and nutritious part of your diet. Herring is also relatively low on the food chain, which means it contains fewer toxins like mercury compared to larger, predatory fish. It's affordable, easy to find in stores, and can be enjoyed in many different forms, such as smoked, canned, or pickled. Whether you spread it on whole grain toast, toss it into salads, or pair it with potatoes, herring is a versatile, budget-friendly option for seniors. Number 2. Wild-caught sardines. Wild-caught sardines are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available, making them a must-have for seniors looking to optimize their health. A single can of sardines can provide over 120% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve health, brain function, and energy production. B12 deficiency is common among older adults, and it can lead to memory issues, fatigue, and even tingling sensations in the hands and feet. Sardines are also packed with omega-3s, which are known to lower inflammation markers like C-reactive protein, CRP. High CRP levels are linked to a variety of chronic conditions, including arthritis and joint pain, which are common complaints among seniors. If you're dealing with stiffness or discomfort in your joints, sardines could be the anti-inflammatory remedy you've been searching for. In addition, sardines are rich in CoQ10, a compound that supports heart health and boosts energy levels. As we age, CoQ10 levels naturally decline, especially in individuals who take medications like statins or blood pressure pills. Consuming CoQ10-rich foods like sardines is essential for replenishing this important nutrient. Sardines are low on the food chain, meaning they contain fewer toxins like mercury and other heavy metals. They're one of the safest fish options for seniors, and they're incredibly easy to prepare. Whether canned in olive oil, tomato sauce, or mustard, you can enjoy sardines on toast, in sandwiches, or as part of a salad. Don't be fooled by their small size. Sardines pack a nutritional punch that supports your heart, brain, and bones. Number 1. Wild-caught salmon. Taking the top spot on our list is wild-caught salmon, the undisputed king of fish for seniors. Wild-caught salmon, particularly from Alaska, is loaded with long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, which have been proven to reduce inflammation, support brain health, and protect the heart. According to a study published in the journal Neurology, seniors who eat salmon 2 to 3 times a week experience less brain shrinkage and perform better on memory tests. This means fewer senior moments, sharper recall, and better cognitive function well into your 80s and 90s. In addition to omega-3s, wild-caught salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for preventing sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that leaves seniors vulnerable to weakness and falls. Each serving of salmon provides about 22 grams of protein, along with potassium, which helps control blood pressure and reduce the risk of strokes. Another important nutrient in wild-caught salmon is astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that gives the fish its signature pink-orange color. Astaxanthin has been shown to protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and improve skin elasticity, making it a great addition to an anti-aging diet. Wild-caught salmon also tends to be lower in contaminants compared to farmed salmon, which can contain antibiotics, dyes, and harmful pollutants like PCBs. That's why choosing wild-caught is so important. Whether grilled, baked, or air-fried, salmon is easy to prepare and pairs well with almost any vegetable or grain, making it a versatile and delicious choice for any meal. Eating wild-caught salmon regularly is like giving your body a natural multivitamin. It's brain fuel, heart protection, muscle support, and anti-aging therapy all in one delicious package. The worst fish choices for seniors. While some fish can do wonders for your health, others are best avoided. Let's dive into the worst fish choices for seniors. Number 4. Farmed tilapia. Tilapia might seem like a healthy, affordable option, but don't be fooled. Most tilapia sold in stores is farmed, often in poorly regulated environments, especially in parts of Asia and Latin America. These facilities frequently use excessive antibiotics and allow harmful contaminants like dioxins and PCBs to accumulate in the fish. Dioxins are industrial pollutants linked to cancer, immune system dysfunction, and liver damage, which is particularly concerning for seniors who may already have weakened organs or take medications that stress the liver. What's more, tilapia has an unhealthy omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, which can promote inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many age-related diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. So, while tilapia may seem like a lean choice, it could actually be exacerbating the very conditions seniors are trying to avoid. If you see tilapia on the menu, it's best to pass and opt for a healthier fish instead. Number 3. Farmed catfish. Like tilapia, farmed catfish is often raised in crowded conditions with little regard for environmental standards. This fish is typically high in omega-6 fatty acids and low in the heart-healthy omega-3s found in other varieties. The high levels of omega-6s, combined with the poor farming practices, make farmed catfish an unhealthy choice for seniors. While some may argue that it's a cheaper option, the risks far outweigh any potential savings. The excessive use of antibiotics and poor water quality can result in a fish that's higher in toxins and harmful chemicals, which can be particularly dangerous for older adults with weaker immune systems. Number 2. Swordfish. Swordfish, one of the largest fish in the ocean, is known for its meaty texture and mild flavor. But this massive fish also has one of the highest mercury levels, especially in larger individuals. High mercury levels are especially harmful to seniors as they can impair brain function, contribute to memory loss, and even increase the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases. Due to its high mercury content, swordfish is one of the worst fish choices for seniors. In fact, many health experts recommend that pregnant women and young children avoid swordfish altogether, and seniors should definitely limit their consumption. Number 1. Shark. Topping our list of worst fish for seniors is shark. This is a fish that should be avoided at all costs. Like swordfish, sharks are apex predators and accumulate high levels of mercury in their bodies, making them extremely dangerous for seniors. Consuming shark meat can lead to mercury poisoning, which can cause cognitive decline, neurological issues, and damage to the kidneys and heart. Shark meat also contains high levels of urea, a waste product that can place a strain on the kidneys, making it a terrible choice for anyone dealing with kidney issues. The health risks far outweigh any potential benefits, and seniors should avoid shark meat entirely. Conclusion. As we age, making the right food choices becomes even more critical. Fish can be a powerful ally in your fight against aging, but only if you choose the right ones. Incorporating healthy fish like wild-caught salmon, sardines, herring, and rainbow trout into your diet can have profound benefits for your brain, heart, and muscles. On the other hand, fish like farmed tilapia, farmed catfish, swordfish, and shark can do more harm than good, leading to mercury poisoning, inflammation, and other serious health issues. When it comes to fish, knowledge is power. So next time you're at the seafood counter, make the smart choice for your health and longevity.